What's up? We are live right now, and I'm going to show you why live automation is a game changer and why you shouldn't be paying $149, $499 per month for commercial credit repair software, and why this is so much better. And it's called live automation because it's a Google Sheets tool that I've built, just like Live Letter and Live Letter Lite, that allows you to automate, but this one only automate. In the wave of AI and automation, you gotta have a tool that actually allows you to get results while saving you time. And because this is a Google Sheets tool, it allows you to use, with just a bit of coding, AppScript, which really does allow you to truly automate, okay? And if you join, there's part of the course that actually not only gives you the link to access this, but it also shows you how to automate, how to use ChatGPT to create your AI content, and more, all right? So I've already added in some dummy content, and this is exactly what you would see if you went and purchased this and accessed it right now. But again, this is version 1.2, which came out last night. So our dummy content shows that we have your name here, date of birth, social, full address, and it automatically populates with today's date, although I will show you in the course how to change this. It automatically puts it all together, and it puts it on our letter right here at the top. Okay, we now have a letters sheet and a dispute reasons sheet. You can add your own reasons, you can customize these reasons, and you can do the same thing for the letters, okay? So before, in version 1.0, there were checkboxes here. You had to go and select only one, and then when you wanted to use a different letter, you'd have to go find that, uncheck it, and I have changed that, all right? So this is now as simple as selecting this dropdown, choosing the letter that you want, and it's automatically going to populate with a new dispute letter, all right? If we were on round one, no version, and I want to go to round two, I'm going to select round two, and automatically now we have a totally different letter. So let me go show you this. So as you can see, this text in this box right here says, I'm writing this letter to you regarding the accounts listed below, yada, yada. Now let's go and change that to something totally different. Select the drop down. Now we're disputing our inquiries. So when we go back, it's going to say the FCRA states that blah, blah, blah. As you can see, now we have new text. The FCRA states that blah, blah, blah. Tell the system we want to write a letter to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Or you can just select one. It doesn't matter. It's going to populate those addresses already right here for you, okay? It already added our personal information. It added the date. We selected the bureaus. We selected our letter. And now we're going to go add some accounts, okay? And once you have this information in here, it's literally just 1 or 2 seconds that you can create your next dispute, okay? So we have some dummy disputes in here. Creditor 1, account number 12345. Now, when you select this dropdown, it allows you to choose the type of account you're disputing, like charge off, round 1, version A, B, C, D, so on and so forth. And it's going to give you the dispute reason for that. And you can customize these dispute reasons or leave them as is right here on the reason sheet. So let's go back here. We're only going to say, hey, this one's only reported on Equifax and TransUnion, or it's reported on all 3 bureaus. Whichever bureaus are reporting it, we're going to notate that. You're probably thinking, hey, Kristen, you say that it should always include the facts and that you shouldn't be using AI randomized content. Yes, you are absolutely correct. So if we have facts to support our argument, we can go and add it in right here, and it's going to drop it at the end of our dispute reason. So now instead of just saying you've reported different dates under date last activity, it's going to say you've reported different dates under date last active, and then it's also going to include those facts that we added here at the end. This is not randomized AI content. It is selected dispute reasons per each type of account, plus you can add the facts. That is why this is, number 1, faster, and number 2, better than that software. So now let's say that we are on round 2. So we have our dispute. We're going to go print it. We're going to send it out to the bureaus. This is what it's going to look like. And now we're on round 2. We already have our personal information in here. We already have the accounts. All we're going to do is go to this dropdown, select a new dispute letter, go and select a new dispute reason. Let's go choose one for round 2. And that's it. If it was deleted from one of the bureaus, uncheck it. And now we're going to go over to our letter, and we have a totally different letter that we are going to print with today's date instead of the original date. And we have all 3 of these letters here. If you don't need one of the letters, you just don't print that specific page. This allows you to not only save yourself from paying $129 or $379 per month or $499 per month or anything per month. So for right now, it's only $69 until about a week week from now when it goes up to 97, because again, this is a brand new launch and I always discount my new launches. I also show you as part of this in the instruction section how to use a 100% free Chat GPT browser plugin to not only find errors in your formulas, but also create your own randomized content. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So let's say that we're over here on our dispute reasons and we want to add some dispute reasons. So we're going to call this new dispute reason A. Now we have a new dispute reason name, but I want a dispute reason that I haven't already used. Okay. So we're going to come over here to our plugin and we're going to say, rewrite 5 different variations of the text. And again, this is free. You don't have to use an OpenAI key or anything. Now it's going to give me 5 different versions of this dispute reason that I pasted in here. And now I can go and I can add these to my dispute reason list. So when I come back over here and go to my dispute reasons, it's now going to have one more dispute reason that includes new dispute reason A. Let me show you. So if we go over here to our drop down, we're going to go scroll all the way to the bottom and now you see new dispute reason A and it says, I'm skeptical about your independent investigation. Show me the proof or delete your statement. Again, I show you exactly how to create your own custom 100% free AI content to add to this app. All right. And each time I update this, you get a version that you can go and just make a copy of and start creating disputes in just seconds. So let's go over to the sales page. And this is exactly what you're going to see when you go there yourself at sendme2.co/auto. Okay. So we're going to do a comparison between live automation versus the commercial software. And I took these screenshots from their website. And again, we are not naming them. Okay. So feature comparison with live automation, you're able to create an unlimited number of letters with countless types and styles. Their fully automated randomized AI literally means that it will give you many different versions of statements for inaccuracy or violation. So does live automation. However, live automation also allows you to do real-time edits and optional data inserting. In other words, add facts that support your arguments. You simply click on the print sheet and you can see exactly what your letters look like. So with live preview, if you don't like it, you go back to the manager sheet and you edit it. As you can see, live automation literally allows you to do the same with your disputes as this commercial software system that we're comparing to. However, it's without the price tag that you already see below. So from their website, they're saying that they have several types of templates to choose from. So do we. Fully automated, randomized AI content. I've already shown you that you can do that. Increasing language urgency as rounds progress. Several styles to add more features to letters. Okay, you already have that. Automatic detailed violation descriptions. You already have that. Multiple report table display options. You don't need that. Live preview. You already have that. Real-time edits. You already have that. Save a ton of money compared to others. So what is their savings really? I mean, $500 per month. Are you kidding me? Make fast on-the-fly adjustments. You could do that with this too. Change the data table views from 1 bureau to 3. You can do that too. Dynamically insert any account data as needed. You can do that too. Page saving compact item details and tables. You don't need that. Letter comparison. So mine also includes AI-infused templates and dynamic generated content. However, live automation includes dispute letters by category instead of randomized text. Okay. So that's by letter and by dispute reason. You can choose dispute letters based off topic, such as for inquiries, reinserted accounts, different letter rounds, etc. You can choose dispute reasons based off of the disputed account, such as charge off, like I said, blah, blah, blah. And then from their site, they say AI-infused templates, dynamic generated content, multiple table display choices. Okay, so we don't care about multiple table display choices, but we have AI templates and dynamic generated content, but ours is better. And then the pricing comparison. This is a one-time payment of $69 until the clock runs out, and then it is $97. You have a week to get it at this price. Theirs is a monthly recurring payment that ranges from $129 to $499. Theirs is also never truly going to be automated. However, this is a Google Sheets tool, which literally means you can create true automation with just a bit of coding, or even using Zapier or Pabbly. And I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to create AI reasons and letters yourself. And then we have 3 different videos on here, and all you do is click on buy now and it'll take you to the purchase page and you can get it. As you can see, it is literally just $69. Okay. Also, you can even go and check out the actual formulas that I have in here. Let's say that you wanted to change the formula and you know how to use Google Sheets, you can do that because all you're doing is clicking on it and you can actually pull up the formula that is included in the letters and the reasons. But let's say that you have an error, all right? So that same chat GPT plugin that I showed you is one that actually solved a formula issue that was causing me to lose over an hour of time yesterday. So I came over here and I was like, hey, you know what? I wonder if this can find the error in the formula. And then I pasted the formula and it said the error in the formula is that the quotation marks around reasons B2 are not escaped properly. And then it gives you the proper correct formula. Okay. So I already give you everything that you need to customize this. I give you everything that you need to automate this. I give you everything that you need to go and spend literally just 1 second creating a new dispute letter to stop wasting time and money. If you want to stop wasting time, you want to stop wasting money, then go check this out right now. Sendme2.co/